Why did she come again?
One tight slap on your face.
I have no
My daughter Sophie is now a doctor. Hi Sophie, my little daughter is. You are the first girl from our village who is going to medical school. I mean, even I had cracked the medical exam, but my family was too strict, so they did not let me study. But I am very happy that you are a doctor now, Sophie. I am very happy. So, how are you both?
You act so well.
But auntie, you said that when I was
Happy it seems.
preparing for my medical exams that I won't get into medicine since I'm not very talented. But now you're saying that
Let
you
the
are very
bygones be
happy
bygones.
for
What
me
are
to
you saying?
join.
Come on. Have a biscuit. Have a biscuit. Have a biscuit. Let the bygones
There
be
must be
Auntie,
bygones.
some poison in the biscuit. Don't
One
eat,
tight
Sophie.
slap on your face. Come on, Sophie. Let the bygones be. I think your memory is not working properly, Sophie. You have studied medicine a bit too much. That is why you are forgetting everything. I can never say anything about anyone, all right? And you are my own daughter.
I have
But
the audio also. That you have said like that.
my son studies in America, okay, and my daughter is working in Mumbai. All right. So even
Slow caps. Slow
I
clap.
have a lot of audio and video, but I'm not saying anything. Anyway, leave all that. You people tell me, how are you kids doing in Corona? You know, Corona is spreading everywhere. I am so scared that I will die any moment. As it is,
We
I
were
have
fine
got.
till now, but since you came, I don't think we would be fine.
I just have 20 years to live on this earth, so treat me with respect, all right? Huh. So,
20 is a long time, yeah.
listen, when I was your age, you people know how I used to pour milk on the feet of my elders. That was the respect I had for them. Look at you people, such uncultured kids these days. I don't know what you people are, what you people learn,
You are only
what
the
you people.
cultured woman alive in earth, right?
I don't know who teaches you culture, what is taught in school these days, but back in my days, I used to
We are
respect
your nephew
everyone.
only, right? I'm your nephew only.
Right from the
So must have
chowkidar
learned from
to
you.
right from the chowkidar to the principal. I poured milk on everyone's feet. And you, I don't know if you are my nephew or not, but this is my niece. My darling
Unfortunately, we
Sophie,
are your nephews.
I am not
Yeah, but
talking to you. Yes, my dear. Speak.
auntie, but I think we all three know how you truly are. So do stop sugarcoating it, auntie.
I don't know what are kids being taught these days. I don't know. Anyways, you guys tell me that right now, because of the coronavirus thing, I just saw a very important news on WhatsApp. You know, they said that if you eat this particular herb every night at 2 a.m., then you will never ever get corona. I am sending you those texts. Read it. And Sophie, what kind of a
Auntie,
doctor
remember the
are you?
last
You can't
But
even
auntie,
give your.
I
Yes,
already, but auntie, I already told you not to follow those messages, and you still. There's no point in following those messages, auntie.
listen.
Auntie, remember the last time you used a herb to deal with your cough? You had to spend the night in the loo.
One tight slap on your face. One tight slap on your face. You
See,
made.
auntie,
Actually, auntie, I think there should be some herb which could keep someone's mouth shut. It could have
Uncultured.
helped you.
Listen, both of
but
you. Just
see,
just
auntie, See, auntie, already know how fake those forwarded messages from WhatsApp are, and there is no point in following those messages. And it's time that you stop following those statements which are given by those WhatsApp messages.
Kids these days are so
So do stop,
difficult.
auntie.
Listen, just because you are going to medical college and you have your fancy smartphone and you wear that lab coat doesn't mean that I'm dumb, all right? In my days, back in those days, there were no doctors in my village. Everything I did on my own, all right? So I trust my medical knowledge. If I read that this particular herb is useful, so it will be useful. These are homegrown indigenous techniques. You cannot demean them, you know? And
Auntie,
your
don't forget to
med-
call us in your Shraddh, okay?
and your medical, I hope that your mouth gets attacked by crabs, all right? I don't know what is wrong with your medical science, Sophie, but I cannot wait so long that I will get the vaccine and then I will be, protected against the virus. No. I will take
Yeah, but
precautions from
auntie,
my
those herb treatments which are given in the WhatsApp messages, they also do take a lot of time to have its effect on us. So you might as well go early in the morning to get your yourself vaccinated so as to you can skip the line and you can get yourself vaccinated, which will give you an immunity in 7 days. Also reduce the severity of the disease and its ability to spread the virus. So
kids these days.
getting a vaccine is a more viable option.
Kids these
No, and
days.
it's true. See, it's also given by authentic news channels. So I think you should just follow them.
I don't understand what is wrong with this generation. I read it on WhatsApp that the vaccine will kill you. This Nobel Peace Prize winner has said in his speech that if you take the vaccine, it will kill you in 2 years. How can I take the vaccine? No. I will trust my own experience, my own indigenous experience. I have read it on WhatsApp that if you eat this particular herb, then you will never get corona. I will do that only. I don't trust your medical knowledge. And this little truant brother of yours, one tight slap on his face.
Leave it, Sophie. Burden from art would be less.
We will talk.
So
Yeah, I
best of
think
luck,
so.
auntie. And
Okay.
yeah, don't forget to call us in your funeral, please.
One tight slap on your face, and you, Sophie, looks like your brother has spoiled you.
Okay, Neil, I think it's time for us to go. So bye,
Yeah,
auntie.
auntie. Bye bye. Indeed, goodbye.
Good.
My kids. Oh,
Auntie,
my kids. Where are you?
where are you, auntie? Oh, you're
Ah, my body is itching so much. Ah,
happy.
You should have taken bath
one.
regularly, right? That's why you are
Auntie.
scratching your whole body. Ah,
You think that I do not bathe every day? One tight slap on your face, okay? My dear Sophie, what's the use of having a doctor in the family if she cannot protect her own auntie from these itches? What happened? Where are
Auntie,
you?
I already told you not to follow these messages. See, and since you follow those messages, you now have a very bad allergy. I already helped you and you didn't follow my advice at all. And there's no point now in complaining, auntie.
But it was written in that WhatsApp. See. It was written here. Look, I am showing you people. I trust my WhatsApp. This is my bua's nani's brother's daughter who has sent me this. How can you say that this news is fake? See, it is written that it is verified by UNESCO. You know, the one that
But
calls.
auntie, I told you
That's why education is
not to
important.
follow those fake messages. I I told you to check them in Google to see if it is authentic, auntie.
Are it is written UNESCO. You mean I have to go? And it was also written that vaccine kills people. What about that? What solution do I have? I cannot take the vaccine. No one in my village is taking vaccine. How can I take the vaccine? Because it will.
But auntie, but auntie, the report says that the vaccine kills a very few percentage. It's almost less than 1%. So it means that only 1% in a few million die of the vaccine. And so the vaccine is pretty safe and side effects are also very less. And the research also shows that only 20 people out of many millions have suffered from these side effects, and these side effects are also not very major and can be easily treated as well. And you said that the UNESCO symbol, which was in the message, should also be with the messages which are being shared in the UNESCO Twitter account as well, since those messages from the Twitter account is more authentic, and you should have also cross-checked with the news channel as well, auntie. And since it was a forwarded message, you should have asked someone who has a good knowledge about the topic, or you should have asked an Ayurvedic doctor about it as well. So I think it's all because of your own doing was this allergy, auntie. And I think it's time that you go and see a proper doctor. Auntie, are you there? I think you should go and refer to a skin doctor.
What's the use of having a doctor in the family? Sophie, why didn't you tell me before? I wouldn't have trusted
She
I already
advised you
told you
before,
before.
right? But you didn't listen.
disrespectful kids these days, interrupting their elders. I don't know why.
We are just telling the truth. Anyway, you
Auntie, we all
are suffering from your own you are suffering from your own you are suffering because of your own own overconfidence.
Auntie, we both already warned you not to follow these messages and to follow authentic news channels and not the fake WhatsApp messages. And see, you have brought this upon yourself, auntie.
From now onwards, I am never trusting any WhatsApp news. No WhatsApp news. No WhatsApp for me. No WhatsApp. So the play has ended. Now we will proceed to give a small introduction of ourselves, and Sophia, who is a medical student, will also inform us about fake news and genuine news. Please begin, Sophia.
Okay, so my name is Sophia and I am a medical student. And about these fake messages which are being circulated in WhatsApp, we should be very careful and we should always check the messages which are being forwarded in through WhatsApp. We must also be very careful to those messages which have a double arrow forwarded message. We must also verify the information which is being spread with the information which is being shared through the news channels. We must also have a good amount of information which are being extracted from verified Twitter accounts like the WHO India and UNESCO Southeast Asia as well. And if you have any doubts about a certain message which is being forwarded, I implore you to cross-check the information in Google or expert of that topic. And if you feel that the message is fake, then you should ask the sender to stop spreading it. And if you receive the message again, we must also tell and spread the news that the forwarded message is a fake. And we should be always self-aware and be very self-cautious of these forwarded messages. Over to you, Shreya.
Yes, Sophia, thank you so much for the great information that you shared. And yes, because we have made this particular video and we have tried to make it funny, so that is why we have showed that the aunt is itching. But in reality, many a times people trust these fake WhatsApp forwards and they end up in the hospital and they end up losing their lives. It is very dangerous. So please do not trust any WhatsApp fake news, because until and unless you see that on that particular proper verified website, you can see it. Sophie has given some names. There's the World Health Organization, the Press Information Bureau, United Nations, and Ministry of Health Affairs. So please go on these websites and verify that particular news before trusting it and acting upon it, because this is very dangerous. And also, vaccines are completely safe. So please go and get your vaccine as soon as per, per possible. My name is Shreya. I am a second year law student and I am studying in National Law University Assam, and now I hand over the mic to Shubhranil.
Uh, Thank you, Shreya. So this is what I am about to tell, that none of the herbs are enough to get rid of COVID. The only way to conquer this virus is through by taking proper vaccine. So I would urge everyone to take the vaccine. And yeah, now coming to my introduction, I am Shubhranil Barua. I am from Guwahati, Assam. I've just completed my BCom and I'm currently preparing for my MBA entrance examination. Thank you.
And Now, thank you to all the two. Thank you to us three, and especially to Sophia and Shubhranil for taking time out of their busy schedules to be in the play with me. And now I will show a small slide where it can be clearly shown that which websites can be trusted. We have the PIB, the Ministry of Health, the W Health Organization, and the UNICEF. Thank you.